Hello everyone, this is Ganesh and in this video I am going to explain about how to make the equations for the pair of linear equations with the two variables. Yes, most of the students are struggling to make the equations because solving equations is easy. Solving equations are very easy, but for the story problems I'm telling, word problems, story problems given means most of the students are struggling how to make the equations. If we know both the equations, we can solve the equations by elimination method or substitution method, so whatever it may be, but making equations is very difficult. Here I am going to give you a few examples. Only I am making the equations, not solving. If you want to know solving, you can watch the another videos. Already I have made videos for solving equations for elimination method and substitution method. And before that, please everybody subscribe this channel and share and like and give comments and whatever it may be. Yes, here is a problem. Just whenever word problems are there, reading and understanding is very important. Reading properly, clearly, slowly, and then understand the problem. And the second thing is, what are the variables here? Dealing with two variables means what is x, what is y. That is very important. After that, there are two statements are there in the given equations. What are the statements? By using each statement, we have to make one equation. So making equations is very important. If we are making the equation, means half of the problem is solved. So now in class 10th, if three students sit on each bench, one student will be left. If four students sit on each bench, one bench will be left. So here two statements are there. So what we are going to find the number of students and the number of benches in the class. So I am telling you what is x, what is y is very easy, because the last statement, what we are going to find, what are the unknown things, those we have to take it as x and y. So here simply they said find the number of students and the number of benches. So here we are going to take number of students is x we have to take, and number of benches is y. So these x and y we are going to find. Now coming to problem, the first statement, three students sit on each bench. That means three students are sitting on each bench, then one student will be left. So for this statement, how can we make the equation? Here very simple it is. Just we have to equate the students and benches. What is the relation? We have to make an relation between students and benches. So here what I'll do, number of students equal to benches. How can we equate? That's I am going to do here. For example, here they said number of students that is x equal to, how can I write in terms of benches? So number of students in terms of benches I have to write. So in terms of benches means here number of benches are y benches are there. For example, on each bench 3 members are sitting. That means if on each bench 3 members are, means 3 into that bench we have to multiply, then we'll get number of students. So y benches are there means 3y means 3 into benches. After that, one student is left, they said. Even if we are multiplying with 3 with the number of benches, even one student is left. That means one more student we have to add to this what is that, 3y. So in this way we can make the equation. For example, x minus 3y is equal to 1. This is the first equation. So are you getting my point or not? Once you see here 3y plus 1, how I am writing means, I'll tell you once again, I'll explain. And what about the second thing? Second thing is what? If 4 students sit on each bench, one bench will be left. For that, again same, number of students equal to 4 students into number of benches. Total number of students we are getting, but one bench is left, they said. One bench is left means we have to subtract we have to subtract 4 students. 4 students equal to 1 bench. So 1 we can't write, 4 students you write it. 4 students we have to subtract, 4 students equal to 1 bench we have to, we can consider that is 1 bench. So this is second equation. This we can write it as 4x minus 4y equal to minus 4. This is second equation. For your understanding, I'll explain. For example, here x means number of students. 16 members are there, or y, benches are 5. For example, I am taking. So how can we satisfy these equations? I'll tell you. If you understand this, then easily you can understand how I am writing these equations. For example, here x means what? 16. So how do we get 16? 16 means 16 students are there. So 3y means 3 into benches how many? 5. So 3 into 5. So 3 5s are how much? 15. So 15 means it is not equal to 16. So one more student is left means plus 1. So this is what 3y means, this one 3y means number of benches. 3y means 15 plus 1 16. 16 students are there. So that is the meaning of first equation. Second equation, you see x equal to 4y minus 4 I am writing. So x means number of students 16. 4y means 4 into number of benches 5. Here number of benches 5 I have taken. So 4 5s are 20. But 20 is more than 16. Only 16 students are there. And if on each bench 4 members are sitting means order 20 members over. That's the one bench is left means that left one subtracted. 4 students we have to subtract. So that is, then we'll get 16. That's the reason I have taken like this equation. So I hope you understand well. So these values you will get after solving these two, the given equations. After solving first equation and second equation by elimination method or substitution method, you will get these two values. Yes, here another question. The sum of 2-digit number and the number obtained by reversing the digits is 66. If the digits of the number differ by 2, find the number and how many such numbers are there. So this is very important question. So many times they are asking, and most of the students confusing these kind of problems. Yes, before that everyone, we have some idea about the 2-digit number. For example, here what are the 2 digits they said. So 2-digit numbers means what? 10 to 99. These are all 2-digit numbers. So we can consider, for example, one 2-digit number 38. 38 means this is first digit, second digit, 2 digits are there. So this number how can we write? Generally 3 into 10, because 3 is in 10's place, that's the reason we are multiplying, plus 8 into 1, 8 is in 1's place, then 30 plus 8. This is the number format. So any 2-digit number we can write in this form, expanded form. But if there is any variables are there, for example, digits, 2 digits are there, 3, 8, that's the reason 38 we can write, or otherwise 83. 2 numbers are possible here. But if I take the digits, what are the digits I don't know, that's the reason one digit is x, another digit is y, 2 digits we got it. These 2 digits we have to find it, what is x digit, what is y digit. So simply I can't write xy or yx, right? Variables given. That's the reason how can we write the digits, numbers, right? So by using these 2 digits, how can we write the number? If x is in 10's place, I'll write the number is 10x, 10 into x, plus y is in 1's place, y. So this is the number. And one more thing, if the digits are reversed, that means y is in 10's place, x is in 1's. So after reversing the digits means 10y plus x. X is in 1's place. So after reversing this one, before reversing this one, 2 things we got it, right? Now, how to make the equation? What is the relation between these two after reversing and first one? So sum means add, sum of 2-digit number and the number obtained by reversing the digits is 66. So sum of this number and the sum of this number and this number, reversing the order means this one, first one, this one, sum. If we add these two, that is what? 10x plus y plus this is the number and 10y plus x. If we add these two, we'll get 66. That is the equation. So now 10x plus x 11x, y plus 10x 11y is equal to 66. This is the equation, one equation. Now if all the coefficients are cancelled with 11, we'll get this is the answer, that is x plus y is equal to 6. If I divide it with 11, I'll get this one is the first equation. First equation we got it. And second thing is, find if the digits of the number differ by 2. If the digits of the number differ by 2, that means the difference of the digits is equal to 2. This is the second equation. So if we solve by elimination method or whatever it may be, we'll get x value, y value. Finally we can find that number. So these are the equations. It's very important problem. Another problem, the taxi charges in Hyderabad are fixed along with the charge for the distance covered. For a distance of 10 kilometers, the charge paid is rupees 220, and for a journey of 15 kilometers, the charge paid is rupees 310. What are the fixed charges and charge per kilometer? That is the first question. So if we know the first question, easily we can find the second one, right? Now our target is what is x and what is y. Here the question is, what are the fixed charges and charge per kilometer? So that's we are going to take it as x and y. So fixed charge is equal to x and charge per kilometer is equal to y. Two variables we got it. Now by making a relation between these two, we have to make one equation. The first one is what? First statement, for a distance of 10 kilometers, the charge paid 220 rupees. 10 kilometers distance 220 rupees. So how do we get that 220 rupees? So 220 rupees means that 220 rupees is including with fixed charge and charge per kilometer. So fixed charge is x, we all know that, fixed charge, plus y kilometers, charge per kilometer is y rupees. So here how many kilometers are there? 10 kilometers given, 10 kilometers distance. That means what? For 1 kilometers y rupees, 10 kilometers 10y. So fixed charge plus this amount equal to how much? 220 rupees. This is the first equation. It's very easy, just we have to understand this. And second thing, for a journey of 15 kilometers, the charge is 310 rupees. Again same thing, fixed charge is x. So 15 kilometers journey, that means 15 rupees into 15 kilometers into y rupees, per kilometer y rupees, 15y, that is equal to 310 rupees. So this is the second equation. So how many kilometers means this is amount, fixed charge plus this is also 10 kilometers means per kilometer, for example y is 5 rupees means 10 5s are 50. So fixed charge plus 50, like that. So this is amount, these two are amounts. So we'll get two equation. If you solve by elimination method or substitution method, you will get x value and y value. So in this way, these kind of problems we can solve it. I'll do more different types of problems in the next videos, and I hope you understand well. Practice more problems, and please share and subscribe this channel.